Well, good morning, everyone. It is Monday morning. I just got back from Tunica, and it's been 5 days since I checked out the dumpster. And hard to tell because the lid was open, but there is one box down there. Oops, looks like maybe there's a second box back in there. So yeah, I think I'm actually gonna wait until this afternoon, until the weather thaws out, but I will definitely be back to pick those up. What is going on, Shaniacs? How are you doing today? It is still Monday. I did not get back to that dumpster to pull those things out. It's just been a crazy day. After coming back from vacation, my head is still spinning a little bit, trying to get back into the work groove. So anyway, I'm going to head back there tomorrow morning. If they're there, I'm going to grab them. But in the meantime, I got a package from Tom Peterson. And I believe that this is Mr. himself, Mr. Refuse and Reuse. I'm still not sure how to say it, Tom, so let me know. But I think it's Refuse and Reuse. And he has made me something with his very talented skills. So let me get this package open. We will take a look here. Bum, 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 bum. Whoa. Check it out, dude. That is one awesome Steampunk Ray Gun. Pew pew. Now this is something cool here. He actually put on a music box on the bottom of it. So it's got the pocket watch at the top, which is really amazing. Oh, that beautiful copper. Oh, copper. Sweet. Just the detail is incredible. And he's like, oh, it was just a quick build, you know. More of a prop than anything. I'm like, are you kidding me? Look at this thing, man. This thing is beautiful. Look at that AFCO St. Louis. That is so cool. Wow. Unbelievable. That is awesome. Thank you so much, Tom. I appreciate it. If you're not watching him, please go watch Refuse, Reuse. I'll put the link in the description and the name up here on the screen so you can decide how you want to say it. But very, very cool. Awesome, awesome piece of work. Unbelievable craftsmanship. Thank you so much, buddy. I appreciate you. And I look forward to your videos because I'm always looking forward to see what you're coming out with next. So thanks again, Tom. I appreciate you.
Maximum setting. If you'd fired this, you would have vaporized me.
It's my first ray gun.
Well, I'm not really ready to reveal my Star Trek collection, but there it is, right up there next to Mr. Spock, as it should be. What a great piece, man. Thank you again so much. Well, good morning, everybody. It's Tuesday morning. I finally got back to my honey hole here. And as you can see, I got 3 of these out of there. So, luckily they were still there. We got some here from last week yet. That stuff from last week yet I still got to get through. So, yeah, not a bad start to the day. Officially, good morning, Shaniacs. How you doing out there? It is about 8 minutes to noon, so I did squeeze in a good morning to you just after all. But, you know, I'm back from vacation here, and I got to tell you, it's been hard for me to get back into the swing of things. I'm not quite sure why that is, if I'm just tired or what the deal is, but today I thought we'd do some dumpster diving and see if we can get our butts back in gear. So let's see what happens. I think one of the reasons that I'm having trouble getting motivated is we had a 70-degree down there day and come back and we had 10 inches of snow here. So I think that's part of the problem. Man. My buddy that's the gambler that went down with us, he said that you know, there are days that you feel it and there are days that you don't. And I gotta say, so far today I'm not seeing much in the way of good trash picking. Damn. Well, I was hoping that this was going to be some retail shelving sticking out here. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. There's some metal in there. Not much, but I will take it. Well, guys, the dumpster diving has been short of spectacular. Way short of spectacular. It's been pretty bad, actually. So, when it comes to bad dumpster diving, I only have one solution. Pepperoni pizza. That's the solution. Well, I think my dumpster diving sorrows were cured with that pizza. So, I went back home and I sorted out the stuff that was in the back of the car. Got the computer parts out, the aluminum out, copper out, and now I'm going to head on down to the scrapyard and we are going to do some shred action, and then hopefully, if I've got the energy, come back home and get some donations out of the garage, because I just want my garage back so bad. So that's the plan. See, then it says -20. I'm not even up there yet. Oh, there it looks like maybe they zeroed it out. Okay, guys, well, I'm back from the scrapyard. I don't know what I did with the piece of paper. I thought I put it in my pocket, but the long story short, I had made $15 plus change on a bunch of shred. I forgot there was a cast iron sink in the back, and I didn't know that I took that around to where I would normally take the other, like aluminum and copper. And that guy's like, no, you got to go back through and go around twice. And yeah, I'm like, nah, forget it. It's all good. I'll take it down to my other place. But anyway, that helped clean up some space in the van. And now I want to talk briefly about what is sold. Again, I'm still kind of out of it after this vacation I took, so I brought all the stuff in that's sold and I already got it packaged up, half of it. And I'm like, what am I doing? I need to do my video first. What are you doing? I don't know. Anyway, so I'm still kind of out of it, so bear with me, folks. So the first thing I want to talk about that's sold is this little Indian Native girl, Native American girl with the papoose on the back. She came out of a set of Little People Thanksgiving themed. Yeah, and here there's a bunch more in there. You can kind of see it there in the corner. I paid $2.50 for it for the whole set. I've got all the pieces listed individually, and she sold for $9 in free shipping. And then I sold this cash drawer here for $24 plus $15 shipping. This came out of that. I just realized I scraped up the whole table because there's a nail right there. Crap. I might be in trouble. I'll tell my wife. Anyway, this is what I got out of the antique dumpster dive video. All right, so these are Barbie eye doctor kits. I bought 3 of them at the local Salvation Army. And the reason I bought them, for one, that Scrap and Pallet Man action figure I did, I needed glasses, so I used her glasses on him. Because buying glasses individually offline, you can't buy them unless you buy like a set of 20, and then they come from China, and I really found it hard to find just a pair of glasses. So I bought this kit. As you can see the price there, it was $8.99 or $8 even. Put them on eBay. This one has sold for $30 plus $6.70 shipping. So I gotta take that sticker off before I ship it. And then I'm gonna put a picture up here. That pallet stuff, speaking of the Pallet Man action figure, he was a Civil War figure that I got that doll from, the head from. And so these are his clothes right here, and I put them on eBay. Now you have to remember, I only paid $9.99 plus shipping for that Pallet Man for the guy, and then I sold his clothes for $7 plus shipping, so I made some of my money back. I sold this piece of jewelry, Sarah Covenant jewelry, only $6 free shipping, not a big deal. This is a Dyson vacuum cleaner part here, sold for $4 plus shipping. And then if you remember these auxiliary pins, I got at the auction about 2 or 3 weeks ago. I paid $25 for all the pins. Put the pins on auction, and they sold for $137.50 plus shipping. And then lastly is this Margaritaville pouring chiller thing. It was a friend of mine. We were over playing cards at her house. She goes, "Will you sell this for me? We could split it." Sold it for $100 plus shipping. So not bad at all. So not a pretty decent week there for low, about a little over a week for shipping stuff or for sales. So anyway, like I said, I'm trying to get back into my groove. I'm trying to get back in sync with all the stuff I'm doing. The dumpsters today didn't help at all because they were so bad. But anyway, folks, I hope you enjoyed this video. I will be back in my groove soon, I guarantee it. I just got to create some more room in the garage. Sun's got to come out, warm up a little bit, and all that's going to help. So please like, please subscribe. If you ever